Welcome back, kindergartners. Here we are again at Number Corner with Mrs. Judd. We're going to go over our calendar. We're going to do our class collection. Today is Monday, so we get to count what we collected last week. And then we'll go over our days of the week. And we get to play that bunny ears game one more time. Okay, so we are still in October. It's 2020. I know today is Monday, so we need to go uncover Saturday and Sunday. Let's come back and look at our pattern again. Remember, we wrote out the colors, we wrote out the directions, and we wrote that there's 1 on some cards, there's 2 on some cards, there's 3 on some cards, and there's 4 on some cards. I've been hearing you guys are giving your teachers a lot of good comments about the directions of the cards, the colors of the cards. Keep up the good work. Thank you. Okay, so let's come back to Saturday. Red, green, yellow, brown. What do you guys think is going to be this one? I think it's a red also. And I think it's going to be pointing up. But the only thing I don't know is how many leaves are going to be on the card. Let's look. A new number. Oh, we gotta count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. I heard a ton of you yell out 5. So we have a new number. Do you think we're gonna be changing colors? No, I don't think so either. Let's come and look at Sundays. Ooh, green and 5, and it's pointing to the left. Good job. Okay, here we go on Monday. Ooh, yellow, and they're pointing down. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, we didn't change any colors, so I don't need to update this one. We did not change any directions, but we did change the number that we have. So let's come and add 5. That looks just like the 5 on the domino or 5 on the dice. I'm glad I did it a different color because then we can really see that we are collecting 5. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, I think we are finished with the calendar. Let's come down. This is an exciting day. We get to count how many we collected in week 2. Oh my goodness, let me see if I can pull them all out. Alrighty, let me grab an empty pen frame. Did I bring it over here already? Nope. Okay, I found my 10 frame. Here are all the ones we collected. I'm going to put them side by side. Do you think I'm going to fill up my 10 frame? I'm not really sure either, but let's try. Remember how last week I filled up the whole top of our 10 frame with orange? Let's try it with these guys. Ooh. I was able to fill up the whole top with orange, just like last week. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you think with this many left, I'm going to fill in the rest of the 10 frame? I'm not sure either, so let's check. Oh, I did not fill in the 10 frame. Well, I go get our marker. You guys look at that for a second. Now, what number am I writing down? Well, let's count. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good job. I heard a ton of you yell out 9. Okay. Let's make them a train. We'll stick them back in. Now, last week, we made a train of 10. But since we don't have 10, we only get to make a train of 9. But remember, last week we had 13, so we had a whole stick and some left over. Put our 9, and we'll put our stick. Okay, so let's come and look at how many days we've been in school. So let's start with the top. We know that this is a full 10 frame. 10, 20, 30, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 44. Let's double check that we have that many links too. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoa, that was pretty fun. And 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 44. I have 44. But we've been in school 45 days now. I get to fill the top of my 10 frame just like I filled it out with that. That was pretty fun. Okay, so we have 45 days. We have 4 10 frames and a half a 10 frame. We have 4 fruits of 10, and oh, I didn't do a plastic ring. Good thing I came back and double checked everything. Now we have 45. I can start with red tomorrow. Okay, kindergartners, we have one last activity to do, and we did this last week. We were doing bunny ears with the numbers. So let's do them in front of us, and then I'll go through the cards one more time, and we'll do them above our head. And it's just another way to make sure we know how to do numbers with our fingers. So this one, we're doing this many on one hand and this many on the other. So hopefully you guys did 2 and 3. Nice job. Okay, now we have 3 on one hand and 2 on the other. Let's try that. 3 and 2. Good job, you guys. Okay, 1 and 4. I want to see you guys put your fingers up in the air. 1 and 4. Ooh. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now on one hand, we're going to have 4 fingers, and on the other, just 1. So it should look like 4 and 1. Ooh. We get to put up our whole hand, because there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our whole hand is 5, and this whole strip is 5. Now this one, try it on your other hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. So now that we've gone through those once on probably Wednesday, we'll play it as the bunny ears game, and we'll do it a little bit more. Okay, so today's question is, how many leaves do we have on our card? Let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 leaves, and you can always say they're going down. How many links did we collect last week? What is our total from last week? And the total is 9. We had 9 linking blocks, and our leaves have 5 leaves on them. Okay, kindergartners, I will see you later. Bye-bye.